How you doing, folks? Gaffy Gaffer here. I just wanted to do a quick video. Royal Enfield Interceptor 650. Standard cans. I've just bought some Norman Hydes. They're sort of a chrome, so it matches the downpipes. There's a lot of exhausts out there, silencer wise. They're all stainless steel. I just didn't like the contrast with the chrome downpipes and the stainless steel silencer. So I've gone with some Norman Hyde chrome, sort of pea shooter. So I was just going to do a quick video first of the standard noise. Okay, so I just wanted something a little bit fruitier. I have installed the DNA air filter kit, which again, that sounds quite throaty. It's quite good, but I just want to get the silencers on and see how it sounds. So I'll just crack on with this. Okay, so I've just opened up the box, and in the box you've got this chrome universal pea shooter style silencer. Got your bracket, and the important bit is this bracket that silencer as Norman Hyde has done. It's pretty cool. Just slides in the silencer like so. You can see that if you want it really loud, you can just drill this end piece out. Apparently it's a bit loud, so they've done dyno work and they've come up with this. It sounds the best. But this cover hides all the clamps and the original bracket that the silencer clamps onto. So I'll offer it all up and I'll come back. Okay, so just got the Norman Hyde silencers on there. So the weight difference is incredible. I think they're saying sort of 7 kilograms. So it's a good weight saving. Pretty straightforward to fit, to be fair. Okay, let's see how it sounds. Right, thanks for watching. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Any questions, just put it in the comment section. But yeah, thanks for watching.